Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss data types in C programming. So let's get started. Guys, data type can be defined as the type of data that a variable can store, such as an integer, float, and character. In C programming, data types are used to declare variables, and this determines the type and size of data associated with variables. So let's take an example of it. Guys, in C programming, each variable has an associated data type. So each data type requires different amounts of memory and has some specific operations which can be performed over it. So here we are declaring a variable of integer type, and the size of integer will be 2 bytes on Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss types of data types. Guys, data types can be classified as primary or primitive data types and secondary or non-primitive data types. And these are the few primary data types: int, char, float, long int, and void. While in secondary data types, there are array, structure, pointer, union, and enumerations. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.